Here at Tennessee Muffler, we take pride in our extensive automotive knowledge and reasonable prices. We specialize in full exhaust systems, complete engine work, replacing engines and transmissions, as well as hybrids. We can also handle any issues causing you to fail emissions. Give your car the care it needs and come see us here at Tennessee Muffler. 225 Bronner Avenue in Madison, or you can give us a call at 615-678-8443.
No se olvide que también hablamos español para darles un mejor servicio. Gracias.